Welcome back to Infinite World. Today I'll tell you about the beaches in Southern California. The water in Southern California is much warmer than in Northern California. This year, for my birthday, I went to Pismo and Avila Beach. There I did some skimming and some boogieboarding. It was really fun. Another thing that is in summer is my birthday. And for the first time in my life, I had a birthday cake on the beach. Thanks for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.